Contour surveyors in Mahipalpur play a crucial role in the field of land development and construction. With their expertise in surveying and mapping, they provide accurate and detailed information about the topography of a particular area. The contour surveyors in Mahipalpur utilize various techniques and tools to measure the elevation of the land at different points, allowing them to create contour lines on a map that represent the shape and slope of the terrain. This information is essential for architects, engineers, and developers in designing and planning construction projects. Scon Design is a renowned firm based in Delhi that specializes in providing comprehensive design solutions for various sectors. Their team of professionals includes experienced architects, engineers, and surveyors who work together to deliver innovative and sustainable designs. Scon Design has a strong reputation for their attention to detail and commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accurate contour surveys in the design process and collaborate with skilled contour surveyors in Mahipalpur to ensure that their projects are well informed and well executed. The services provided by contour surveyors in Mahipalpur are diverse and cater to different industries. Apart from land development and construction, contour surveys are also essential for infrastructure planning, environmental impact assessment, and flood risk analysis. Whether it is a residential project, commercial complex, or industrial site, contour surveyors play a crucial role in determining the feasibility of a project and identifying any potential challenges or constraints. Contour surveying is an essential process in land development and construction projects that involves the measurement and mapping of the land's topography. In Mahipalpur, a bustling neighborhood in Delhi, there are several reputable contour surveyors who provide their expertise in accurately determining the elevation and shape of the land. These contour surveyors in Mahipalpur are well versed in using advanced surveying equipment and techniques to create detailed contour maps, which are crucial for various purposes such as designing drainage systems, planning construction projects, and managing land development. One of the prominent contour surveyors in Mahipalpur is Scon Design. With years of experience in the field, Scon Design has established itself as a reliable and trusted name in providing top-notch contour surveying services. The team at Scon Design consists of highly skilled and trained professionals who have a deep understanding of the complexities involved in contour surveying. They are equipped with state-of-the-art surveying instruments and software to ensure accurate and precise measurements. Scon